After 2 decades of dreaming, here I finally in Singapore because of my parents-in-law bring me here. Probably if weight of my dreaming, I probably cannot come to this country, to be honest. I think Singapore is one of the countries that a lot of travelers want to come and see because of the country itself is very modern. People would know that when you talk about Singapore is the cleanliness and hygiene in the country. Although it's a small island, but they're very, very well organized. As I said, the architecture here is excellent, especially if you walk around here in Marina Bay here, you can see this is all the green garden, which is nice. And if you come with a family, I would say should come here. Of course, if you come to Singapore, if you didn't come here, of course you will miss it. You never miss this area. It's Marina Bay area, which is particularly landmark area. And I'm gonna go up top there. You can see over there. I'm gonna go up that tree. I'm not sure I can go up there. This is called Skywalk. Probably I cannot go there because that is separate ticket. One ticket that costs $14 Singapore. So they give us just only 15 minutes here on the top called OCBC Skyway. So it's nice to walk around here. There you can see the view of the Marina Bay over there. Hopefully to go up there at some point. You will be amazed that from the Singapore Changi Airport stand out as a true marvel in the world of airports. It's offering travelers an experience like no other. The airport's design is a modern miracle with charming indoor waterfalls, vibrant green spaces, and unique attractions like a butterfly and flower garden. The airport also has a diverse range of shopping options, tons of restaurants and foods to try. This airport is seriously high-tech. Everything is designed to make your journey as easy as possible. They have self-service kiosks. Normally you go to the airport, you have to scan, go to the check-in. Right now they just have all this machine. You can check in this machine by yourself. It's clear they really thought of everything here. Like us, we came here as a family of 4 adults and 2 children, so our schedule was planned based on kids. Our first day kicked off at the ArtScience Museum in the Marina Bay Sands area. This interactive museum is a must-see for families, featuring fun and thought-provoking displays on science and technology. My kids especially love the drawing activities where their creations came alive on screen. Next, we ventured to Gardens by the Way, a futuristic garden with giant tree-like structures called super trees. Kids were amazed and entertained at the children's garden with its water play area, while adults can relax and have a picnic in the shades there. We also explored the fascinating cool conservatories, the flower dome showcasing various dry climates featuring plants from around the world. Before heading to the cloud forest, we took a break for kids to enjoy ice cream and watch the heavy rain. I personally enjoy the cloud forest, offering cool, misty mountain environment, artificial stunning waterfall, and an array of vegetation from tropical highlands worldwide. We started day 2 slow and easy. We soaked in the beautiful city sunrise while enjoying a splash in the pool to kick off the day, feeling refreshed to meet our cousins at a restaurant. Put the helmet as well, look at that. Alright, let's go. And we then visited the National Museum of Singapore, a great place to learn about the country's rich history and culture through its extensive exhibitions. Our evening brought back us to the Marina Bay Sands area for the spectacular Chinese New Year drone show. The atmosphere was electric, with 1,000 gathered to witness the dazzling display. Unfortunately, a brief rain shower left everyone a bit soaked. So it's raining here Anticipating crowded trains after the show, we opted for a walk back to our hotel. While the walk was tiring, especially with the kids, it offered a chance to see the city at night. Our Singapore trip ended with an early morning flight to Bali, leaving us with unforgettable memories.